So it's day 595 for the tree, and it survived last night's storm, which is beginning to die down a bit. Every now and again there's a huge gust of wind, but so far she's a bit wobbly, but still up, amazingly. And today we are going to be, the snow's all melted, so look at all the seed casings that are everywhere. It's a mess now that you can't, the snow's all gone. So we're going to be having a tidy up out here, rebuild everything that's broken. And the squiddlies are here, doing good. A couple of shy raccoons came last night, but they wouldn't let me stay out with them. They're too shy. As you can see, the wind is still gusting a bit, but our tree is still up somehow. There we go. Tree watch, day 595.